Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Marissa Ray. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So on today's video, I am showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful mini twists. And these are actually legit mini twists, okay? These are not chunky twists. This took me probably about 6.5 hours to do in total. I did not realize or expect it was going to take me that long. However, it did. And the reason being, as you guys can see, these are tiny. I mean, they're probably obviously not as tiny as they could be, but they are very much small, definitely giving mini. So therefore, it took a long time to do, okay? I'll probably have over 100 twists in my head total. I would not be surprised if I did, and I'm not counting. So, but y'all, I absolutely love this hairstyle. Very easy to do. Yeah, my baby's crying. But it's cool though. He with his daddy, so it's cool. But extremely easy, low manipulation hairstyle, low tension hairstyle. I can style these twists in so many different ways. I probably will be showing you guys a video on the different hairstyles, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I will be leaving all of my social media handles down in the description as well as on the screen here, so that you guys can follow me on my social media platforms and keep up with me on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so go ahead and watch for the rest of the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, conditioned. The only thing I have in my hair right now is some leave-in conditioner that I put in my hair last night. And now I am trying to get rid of as much moisture as possible, because I find that when I do twist on my hair, they last much longer and it's easier to do when my hair is mostly dry and maybe just a little bit damp, so that I can still get my curl at the end. So I'm just splitting my hair into 4 sections to begin, and then that first section I'm going to work on is on my back, and I'm just going to pull out a little part and start twisting. I did not make my parts perfect, by the way. Who got time for that? So what I'm using is Donna's Recipe Hair and Scalp Oil. Okay, Tab did it with that. I love that oil so much. It's just so moisturizing. And I'm also using Shine and Jam. Okay, so I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing up close right now, but just keep watching. You guys will get a better view. But what I'm doing is braiding the root of this twist, probably about 3 times down. I feel like now that I've done it, I could have braided down just a little bit further to make them stay intact more. And then the rest of the braid, or the rest of the twist, I'm just twisting. So I'm repeating the same steps for literally every single twist. I'm applying Donna's Recipe Hair and Scalp Oil, and then applying Shine and Jam right on top, because again, I already had leave-in conditioner in there. So it's not much that I need for this hairstyle, because I don't want my twists to be too weighed down. I still want them to be fluffy and curly at the end, but I want my roots to be flat, of course, because y'all know that makes your hair last longer. And I will say, since I started off with my hair pretty much slightly damp, it was a little bit harder for me to grip the root of my hair so that I could braid it down and make the braid flatter, but still end up with beautiful results. I just know that I'm going to have to touch them up more frequently, because the roots are just so kind of loose. Like, my hair is just such a soft texture anyway, so I tend to always have this type of issue when it comes to braids, twists, whatever. So okay, so here's a close-up view. As you can see, I am braiding the top part. And again, that was probably about 3 to 4 times I braided down. This was kind of a thinner section of my hair. Y'all know the perimeters of your hair is typically thinner. So I just braided down as much as I could and then just started twisting from there. And on camera, it looks like I was moving really fast with these twists, but girl, apparently not, because it took me about 6.5 hours to do. So I did go in and clip off some of my ends that didn't look quite as neat to me. And of course, y'all know when you clip your ends, it just makes your overall style, especially when you're doing a twist style, it just makes your twist look so much better and so much neater because you get the perfect little curl at the end. So it's pretty self-explanatory. From here you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. It's just a process. I did braid all my twists, or twisted all my twists the same direction every single time, so I did not switch any direction or anything, and I continued with the same products throughout my entire head. I found that when I got to the second half of my head, I needed to spray a little bit of water to get that curl at the end. But to be honest, I probably would have been better off just going ahead and twisting it more dry and just spray a little bit at the end, so that I could get the curls at the end and not have it be damp at the roots, if you guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I'll just let you guys watch the rest of the video until I need to explain anything to you guys. It's pretty straightforward. I did give all of my little twists a little twirl at the end. Y'all know, twirl it around your finger, give her a little curl. But that's it, y'all. I really do love this hairstyle. Super easy, as you can see. Very repetitive, very time consuming in a way, but hey, it's worth it because I'll keep these in probably for about 3 weeks. And that's just me playing with my son because he was sitting there with me while I was doing my hair, and he likes when I sing him songs and play little things for him. So yeah, that's that. But I'll let you guys keep watching, and I will come back if I need to. So my twists are all done now, and I must say I absolutely love how these are looking. They look so shiny, healthy, and beautiful. I cannot wait to wear these in so many cute little styles, y'all. I love how they turned out, and they were so moisturized. So I went to sleep, and I came back to you guys a couple days later because that's when I got the chance to do this. So what I did after my hair was completely dry, after about 2 days, I decided to split my head or split my hair in half and then just wrap a bunch of ponytail holders around each side to stretch my twist a little bit more. The side that was more damp when I was twisting was the side that was a little bit shorter. So I don't know if it was really me cutting those pieces off that made it look shorter, or the fact that it was damp so it shrunk up more than the other side. But once I stretched them, they came out pretty even on both sides and it looked really, really cute. And I also loved the stretched look because y'all know, obviously, my hair is pretty long, but twists and shrinkage just makes them shorter. So that's what I decided to do, and I loved the fact that it made them a little bit longer and stretched out. So I'm just going to use some edge gel. Well, this is the Eco Styler gel, but on top of this I'm going to go in with some Kiss edge control to just lay my edges down really quick and do a cute little style for you guys. All I did was 2 little buns at the top, some little hairs hanging out in the front, and the back of it just down. So it was just a simple cute little style for the meantime. I didn't keep it this way and I haven't actually wore it out this way. I was just kind of playing around with it to see what I could do. In a little bit I'm going to show you guys a day or so later, just so that you could see how my hair was looking and to film the outro of my video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and come back for more videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned a thing or two while watching me do my beautiful mini twist, which I love so much. So there's not much else I need to show you guys today, but please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media platforms and be on the lookout for more videos and tutorials. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.